What's up, YouTube? Family, you guys already know it's Sunday, which means we are just hours away from being able to get back in our bag and do what we do, man. Listen, you guys already know I get super excited because it means just in a matter of moments, we'll be back doing what we love to do, guys. Listen, do me a favor. I got a jam-packed video. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Please help this video get at least 2,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, this whole entire weekend, I've been bringing out the charts, and I got one more piece of the puzzle to add for your teaching and knowledge purposes, okay? So do me a favor, class is in session momentarily. I won't be long today, but lock in, take some notes, and jot these instructions down whenever you are to buy puts at resistance, okay? Let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, guys, I got the same chart we've been operating on all week pulled up here, okay? And so take your eyes to number one. If you and whenever you want to buy a put at resistance, okay, first you want to establish that resistance has actually been operating as resistance, okay? So you want to see rejections, and in the buy zone box that I drew and created for you guys, you can see every time we got to that 200 EMA line, although we tested, we pierced through it at times, we were rejected back down. So if you were to, in the future, and you see on your chart that the stock is approaching the 200-day moving average, okay, and it is operating as resistance, yes, there's a buy zone for your put, but more importantly, take your eyes to number two. You want to put your stop loss just above the buy zone, okay? It might be 15, 20 points above where your premium purchase was at. Reason being is because if we break and don't get rejected at that 200 EMA, then guys, the stock could be off to the races, and you don't want to be on the wrong side of the trade, okay? You have to respect, typically it's going to test it 3 times. That means you got 3 opportunities to just keep sniping and scalping away. It's going to hit, drop, hit, drop, hit, drop, okay? But on that 3rd or 4th attempt, or 4th or 5th attempt, it may break through. And if you try to do it again, if you come late to the party, if you're not on top of your game, if you're not using the charts, then it can clear that level. It can even gap up above that level, okay? Depending on, that's why I say you guys have to always watch what's going on in pre-market, okay? If it gets and clears that level, now that resistance level turns into support. So now it's going to run up, and then when it pulls back, it's going to use that same level we once couldn't get over as support to bounce higher. So that's where you don't want to be on the wrong side of trade, but that's where your stop loss comes into play, and then it stops you out. So then you can switch and pivot positions. So then you can jump on the right side of the trade and then begin to ride it up if you need to, okay? So again, guys, the name of the game is to be flexible and nimble. Always manage your risk and take high quality and high probability trade setups, okay? You have to know that. You have to remember that on your journey. Don't just get stuck, oh, I'm buying a put, I'm buying a put. Okay, it's going to work a few times, but at some point it's not going to work. You need to recognize it quick, pivot, and get on the right side of the trade, okay? That was today's lesson. Hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully adding the Saturday lesson in addition to today's lesson, the 3 videos between the last 3 we put out should have gave you guys a wealth of knowledge on how to see the market better, how to slow the game down, how to identify resistance, and what you should do when a stock is testing and getting rejected at resistance, okay? Hopefully this was helpful. Hopefully this added value to your life. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the stocks on the day. Okay, guys, ticker symbol SQQQ is one that I want you guys to watch, all right? This will tell you all you need to know as to whether or not we're going up or we're going down. If this is going up for any reason, that simply means stocks are going down, okay? Especially tech stocks, all right? Understand that correlation. There's an inverse correlation to this, so I want you to pay attention to it, okay? And check this out. If it drops below $18, which would be then it will be entering our buy zone, you are to scoop up shares of this, okay? And you can dollar cost average small amounts and small share purchases in this area too. There's nothing wrong with that, but I like for you guys to practice and get in the habit of buying low. Okay, the name of this game we do around here, guys, is buy low. You buy low and you sell high. So keep your eye on this for this week, guys. SQQQ is sitting at 1845 to start the week. You want to see if it goes lower or higher than this. Keep your eye on that. All right, now check this out. VTI. Okay, this is one of my favorite ETFs. The ticker symbol on this one is VTI. The Vanguard Total Stock Market is sitting at 221.47. Guys, if it gets below 220, ideally, if it gets below 217, 215, you need to have your radar go off. Okay, it'll be time to start accumulating. Again, I like to buy this 200 and below, but there's nothing wrong with dollar cost averaging into quality. Okay, you have some of the best holdings inside of this ETF, and so you got a chance on any dips, any pullbacks. When you see them, think of it as a time to go shopping. Think of it as a buying opportunity. Okay, don't forget the VTI on this one. Okay, check this one out. Verizon. All right, I want you guys that if you are dividend investing, you need to know the years they just switch. Okay, when stock and tech is up, okay, dividend stocks will be down, and when tech is down, dividend stocks will be up. We are down this year. Matter of fact, Verizon is down 4% on the week alone. All right, on the month, not too bad, but in the past 3 months, it's down 5%. Year to date, it's down 15%. Guess what? We don't care nothing about that. My average cost is way down here. All right, and so because we're buying low anyway, you're always up. You're always accumulating. You're always buying your biggest position sizes when the stock is low. And guess what? You are collecting the dividend. That's what the purpose of this is. Yes, stock appreciation would be nice, all right? But overall, you want to see, okay, I got an asset that down this year that I can accumulate more of, because when it goes up, I got a nice $10, $15, $20 move on this particular play, in addition to consistently collecting a dividend. All right, check this one out, guys. Altria, ticker symbol MO, sitting at $44.08. This too is also in a buy zone, under $45, under $44.50. This is in a buy zone, so sitting down here near $44. Again, things you want to scoop up on your passive income journey, on your dividend investing journey, will be things and assets such as this. Okay, again, I'm not a financial advisor. I can't tell you what to buy, hold, or sell. I'm just showing you guys things that will be on my radar for this particular week, things that I'll be accumulating this particular week. So listen to this, guys. Always have a plan for why you do what you do. There are going to be a whole bunch of social media experts that want to say a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, do what you do and understand why you do what you do. That's all that matters. Okay, I'm not concerned with if the stock is up or down over the 5 year. Long as I'm not losing money, I got a stop loss on everything. Okay, I don't let Wall Street take my money. So if Altria or if Verizon, two of my dividend stocks, if they were to tank, they would tank all by themselves, because my stop loss is going to kick me out if they go too low. Does that make sense? I'm worried about generating passive income so I can stay retired, so I can remain in retirement at my young age. My wife and I, we can enjoy the fruits of our labor. These stocks pay for our life. They pay for our trips. They pay for hotels. They do everything because we understand the plan behind why we invest in dividend stocks in general, not just these one, guys, but VTI and other things like that. Okay, but know why you do what you do. Know your why. All right, and so that supersedes anything else. All right, don't get caught up in the minutia. Always understand, I know why I'm doing what I'm doing. All right, and if you are on the low end of this, you're not worried about where it's at over the last 5 years or last 1 year. I got this on the low. Okay, and so for me, I'm not down, I'm not tripping, I'm doing decent, and I'm not looking for an 8% return in my dividend plays. Why? I know the purpose of them. I got Tesla, I got Nvidia, I got Amazon, I got Google, I got all the stuff that's up this year that's taking care of the growth of my wealth. This is a different purpose. This is for income. Don't confuse the two, all right? Listen, guys, I just want to put that short little message on you guys today. Make sure you guys are keeping the main thing on your journey. Also, get ready for a upcoming dominant week. I expect us to put everything we've been teaching and learning to practice this week. Be in the Discord. Link for that is in the description below. Join the money team. The link for that is also in the description below, because the money team, we're definitely getting after it this week. So if you haven't joined us yet, if you haven't sent me a screenshot to say, Chris, I'm in, feel free to do so. There's no pressure. I'm gonna love on you guys, help you guys regardless. But for those that want to get after it first thing Monday morning, join the money team. With that being said, guys, listen, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.